Provisioning an IP phone to 3CX. Log in to the 3CX web console. Click Extensions, then Add. Define the extension number, first name and email address as a minimum. Click OK at the top of the page to finish. Select Phones and identify the unprovisioned phone in bold by its MAC address. Now choose the phone and click Assign Extension to assign the phone to an extension. Select the extension required, then click OK. You will be taken to the Phone Provisioning tab automatically. Click OK on the top of the page. The phone's configuration will be provisioned and the phone will reboot automatically.